Hmm?
Shower.
I just got off work.
Shower.
I can't get a hug.
You reek.
Reek of what? I didn't do anything today.
I don't know, diff fluid, something. Shower.
Really?
Bye.
Can I at least get a kiss? Really?
Go.
Okay.
Bye.
Finally off work.
Hey, babe. How much longer are you gonna be?
Just a couple more minutes. I just gotta fix this noise.
What do you mean a couple more minutes? You said that like 3 hours ago.
I just need a couple more minutes.
I'm ready to go to bed, Darius. So how much longer are you going to be? You've been doing this like all night.
I just need a couple more minutes.
It's 1:30 a.m. You were off work today. You've been at this all day.
Well, I'm trying to fix this noise and I can't figure out where this noise is coming from, and it's just, yeah.
So is this like another hour, 2 hours? Babe.
3 more hours.
Darius. What is this thing that says a withdrawal of $2,000?
Huh?
Why is there a withdrawal of $2,000?
Because it was to fix the car.
$2,000?
Yeah, that's how much the alternator is.
For what?
Alternator. I had to get a performance alternator.
$2,000. What did you really buy?
It's like an alternator.
Does it go swoosh? Put the money back in, right?
I will when I get my income tax.
No. We got bills to pay. $2,000 alternator. You know, babe, when we got this house, I didn't think we were going to be doing stuff like this.
I know, I'm cleaning it.
And out of all the things you could have used, barbecue sauce?
Well, I felt like barbecue sauce would be better. I like barbecue sauce.
Yeah, well now the door smells like barbecue sauce.